U is for umbrella. An umbrella is a handy tool that keeps us dry when it's raining. U is for unicorn. A unicorn is a mythical horse-like creature with a single spiral horn on its head. U is for universe. The universe is everything that exists, including galaxies, stars, planets, and even space itself. U is for underground. Underground refers to the space beneath the surface of the Earth, where you might find tunnels, subways, or even hidden treasures. U is for ukulele. A ukulele is a small, four-stringed musical instrument that produces cheerful and melodic tunes. U is for up. Up is the direction opposite to down, taking us higher into the sky and towards the stars. U is for urchin. An urchin is a spiky sea creature that scuttles along the ocean floor. U is for unity. Unity means coming together as one, often to achieve a common goal or purpose. U is for utensils. Utensils are tools we use for cooking and eating, like forks, knives, and spoons. U is for universe. The universe is a vast expanse filled with galaxies, stars, planets, and mysteries waiting to be explored.